Hey guys, Bat Breaker again. Wanted to show you guys two things real quick that I find work really good for helping me out. It's actually one thing, I just got two of them. These are grip exercisers. Now I'm not going to show you the other side because it's got a logo that stupid me forgot to block out, but it's adjustable. It goes from 20 pounds to 90. Really easy to tell you how to adjust it. You just twist the cap. It'll line up when it's there. And now my grip is a little bit, well, these aren't that hard for me to do. Works the muscle real nice. But these are light for me. Now here's the thing, my big deal is these things cost me less than 10 bucks. And they're the one thing that I use every day. When I wear them out, I buy a new set. These particular models here with the spring, these last you a while. And it's cheaper to go buy just a whole new one once they wear out than to try to get a new spring or anything else, because the way it's set up is it pretty much comes apart without the spring there. Now, my thanks to, I'm not affiliated in any way with Gold's Gym. There's a bunch of different models of these out there. These are the Gold's Gym brand ones. I like these. I am not affiliated with them. I'm not trying to advertise their stuff. They make a cheap product. I got it at Walmart. It's also durable. It's also handy. So free advertising for them. Hopefully I don't get a call from an attorney or nothing. But just want to show you guys really quick one of the handy ways for working on the grip strength. Had injury to my thumb and some other things happened to my hand that dropped my grip strength down quite a bit in both hands. So I had to bring it back up. I was having issues when I was lifting. And started having issues with a lot of things, so now that my grip strength is back up there, I'm not having issues. But these things, I still use them. They're more of an entertainment thing now. It's more if I'm watching a movie, relaxing with the kids, all sorts of different things. It's just handy to pick up and use because you don't even really notice it after a while. I will say this, do not overdo it. You can legitimately hurt yourself if you're using a weight that's too heavy. Joints in your hands and all that, you got to build up to it, okay? But these things, I mean, they'll do for beginners. If you're more intermediate, which I would consider myself fairly intermediate with this, they're good. They just don't have the weight range you're going to need for anything more. Now, I will say also, if you have, like I have a wedding ring on this hand normally, right there. I do not use a ring on this. If it rolls on a ring, well, it's not fun. Let's put it that way. I realize you're probably not enjoying all that much looking at my hands here, so just want to show you a couple handy little things in my arsenal that I use, well, just about every day now. If I'm not working out there doing something hard, I will use those. Builds the muscle. Also, it's handy. You can take it with you. It's easier to pack than a full weight roller for your forearms. You can position it different ways. It's actually real handy. So, plus it's a fun party trick. Someone thinks they're real strong and you happen to know they're a wuss. If they're a wuss, all you got to do is hand them one of these babies at 90 pounds and watch them sit there and make their knuckles crack. For the record, I wouldn't recommend doing that if they're really weak. I don't want them hurting themselves, but also, it's a handy thing. I'll be posting other videos, little things that work for me. Like I said I would, guys. This is just one of those handy little things that for less than 20 bucks, you can buy one for 8 something at Walmart where I live. I bought 2 of them. Handy, useful, and good buy. So, basic fitness tip on there. Do not be afraid of cheap equipment. Just make sure you buy it and test it out, so you're not putting all your trust on weak equipment. Alright, so this is the first piece of equipment that I would personally recommend is a grip exerciser. Not one of the little wire ones. I've had so many of those break. These at least hold together a little bit longer. So, there you go, grip exerciser. Whatever brand you have local to you for cheap, they should be under 10 bucks, or if they look like this and they're more than 10 bucks, you are getting cheated. Alright, well, this is the first in the series of tools I use, so here we go.